Can Mama have a kiss? Grayson, can Mama have a kiss?
No.
Grayson Bug, can Mama have a kiss?
Plant one on her, buddy.
Can Mama have a kiss?
Give Mama a kiss. You want Daddy to give you a kiss? Good boy.
Now give Mama a kiss.
Good job.
Good boy, buddy. You want Daddy to give Mama a kiss? Daddy give Mama a kiss? You stop doing that. Okay. Silly goose. Can you give Mama another kiss?
Kiss.
Mama kiss? Sweet boy, Grayson. Now he wants us to kiss.
Good job, buddy. Good kissing.